President Joe Biden on Thursday celebrated the pace of his administration's effort to vaccinate Americans, hitting 50 million shots in 37 days, half of his target of 100 million shots in 100 days.
We're moving in the right direction, though, despite the mess we inherited from the previous administration.
More than 45 million Americans have been given at least one dose of the approved Pfizer or Moderna vaccine, with more than 20 million receiving both doses. A third vaccine is also nearing approval.
If the FDA approves the use of this new vaccine, we have a plan to roll it out as quickly as Johnson & Johnson can make it.
Unlike the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines, Johnson & Johnson's does not need to be stored in ultra-cold temperatures and can be given as a single dose. The company said it can deliver 20 million doses by the end of March. Biden said by April or May, there may be more vaccines than Americans who want them because of vaccine hesitancy. The administration is planning to launch a campaign to combat disinformation about the shots.
This epidemic of misinformation is also rampant in those populations that we need to target the most. And this includes African American and Latino populations, where there is a historic hesitance and mistrust of the formal health system due to decades of abuse and poor treatment of these minority groups.
Biden also met virtually with the nation's governors on plans to speed up distribution even further.
The single most important thing after ensuring supply that the federal government can do is to standardize reporting. So it's clear in every state exactly what's happening. What percentage of people are getting vaccinated each week? What proportion of white, Black, Latinx, Asian, Native American, Alaskan Native and American Indian populations are vaccinated, and how that compares with the statewide population. What gets measured can get managed. Right now, we're flying blind.
Despite encouraging news, this week the U.S. surpassed 500,000 coronavirus-related deaths, which Biden marked with a candle-lighting ceremony and a moment of silence at the White House. Patsy Widakuswara, VOA News.